All right, so we're gonna resume this video now. We do have the flat bar. Like we said in the original video, the snake did not work because of how high the nails are on this Grand Manor shingle. So we're not able to use that roofing snake on this particular shingle. So we're gonna give it a go. sliding out the old. Yeah. So those nails are just super high up here. Alright, so looking at this old shingle, there's a massive amount of material transfer into that shingle above it. So if we were to check that shingle out, can you lift that up for me one second? So now this shingle, with that material transfer, it's kind of hard to see in the video here, but with that material transfer, it's going to be very hard for the shingle to ever seal back down. So material from this original shingle has now peeled and is still adhered to that top shingle. So it messes with that tar strip for the sealant. Then you can see where whoever tried to seal these back down at some point, all of that sealant is also mat transferred, so now you don't have complete shingle here. So this next tar strip has to fight this void. You can see there's still some adhesive stuck on here from the prior repairs. It just chips off at this point. More material transfer down here, all in combination with all of these creasing. So we are in a tear right there. So we are at this point damaging the shingles around it. And then another crease on that side too. We're damaging the shingles around it just in effort to repair this one shingle. Damage another tear down by his finger. So we have 5 different failure points with a whole bunch of material transfer as well. Reinstall of the Grand Manor here. That's all one. Thankfully we don't have to trim this one down. So again, with this one, it has concrete decking underneath, just like the other slopes above that ridge, and we're not able to use the roof snake to nail it in. Too short to get it to yeah. So the reason that we're peeling it up so far is to get in that nailing strip here, so we can't just nail it short. Again, this is required in order to get those nails in there. With the nature of this shingle, that roof snake is not effective on this type of install. see that tear is only increasing. Now it's up to here. The nailing strip is way up here. And you can tell there's some mat transfer actually right here as well. Trying to get it to focus. You can see one just tore. See all that mat transfer all the way down the shingle there. So now this shingle is compromised as well. Yeah. The shingle's compromised as well due to all that mat transfer underneath. It will never seal back down like it was with all that mat transfer. And it's very thin right here. See all the material on the underside of that shingle. It came from those spots right there. Yeah. All good?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. So to mention all of the mat transfer. All the mat transfer underneath here. And Isaac's going through and he's marking all the creasing as well. This is a big tear. Almost every tab is torn. So almost every tab is torn up going this way. You can see that right here. So basically, while doing this repair, we've damaged at least 3 shingles around it in the process. So this new shingle down here resulted in mat transfer on 2 different shingles. So I'm gonna say times 2. Man, it's hard to write on these Grand Manors. Times 2 mat transfer. So 2 shingles have mat transfer, along with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus failure spots on this one. All right.